is it right to call Allah as God because God is the masculine gender and Goddess is the feminine gender?
Well, the question that when we translate Allah as God in English, is it right? God is a masculine gender, God is a feminine, is it right? I do agree with you, brother, that God is not the appropriate translation of the Arabic word Allah. Therefore, we Muslims prefer calling Allah by the word Allah instead of God, because I do agree that a person can play mischief with the English word God. If you add S to God, it becomes gods, meaning a plural of God. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has got no plural. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Says Allah one and only. If you add DESS to God, it becomes goddess. That means there's a male God and a female God. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has got no gender. He's neither feminine, he's neither masculine. He's unique. If you add father to God, it becomes Godfather. He's my Godfather. There's nothing like Allah Abba or Allah Father in Islam. If you add mother to God, it becomes Godmother. There's nothing like Allah Ammi or Allah Mother in Islam. Allah is a unique word. Therefore, we prefer calling Allah with the Arabic word Allah instead of the English word God. But when certain Muslims, when they're speaking with non-Muslims who may not understand the concept of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and if they use the word God for Allah like how I have done, because many people out here are non-Muslims, they may not understand the concept of Allah. So if we translate Allah as God for the convenience of those who don't know the true concept of Allah, there's no problem. But God, I do agree with you, is not the correct translation of the Arabic word Allah. Hope that answers the question.